Athaki na makocha rigi ya Kenya Premier League ni marikoragwo na undu ukorwo magikenera thutha wa kwandikanira Ngirimiti na atongoria a rigi ya Laliga matongoretio ni mutongoria wa Laliga Javier Tebas. Ngirimiti no igukorwo ya kahinda ka miaka 3 kuria atongoria a rigi ino athaki makocha marikoragwo na mitaratara ya gucenjania meciria mihang'o iri tafanagio guku bururi-ini o ndumwe na bururi wa Spain.
Laliga will be able to offer technical support which will lead to the development of a KPL under-20 youth league. This will create more opportunities for players and coaches who cannot be involved in top-flight football to participate in the sport at a critical level.
Diplomacy is about the world. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the world. Here is passions, different colors, different peoples, different ways of seeing the world. And through these, millions of people, billions of people connect in the world.
Ta Ngirimiti iria yatwarire timu ya SportPesa All Stars guthie bururi-ini wa Ngeretha na guthaka na kirabu kia Hull City. Ni gukorwo na mutaratara wa gukorwo na timu imwe iria ithakaga na timu imwe kuma rigi ya Laliga. Muthaki McDonald Mariga ni wari muthaki wa mbere guthaka rigi ino ya Spanish La Liga agithakira kirabu kia Real Sociedad mwaka wa 2011. Hadi ni Hamwe TV ya kwaritoni kijana gusa gatho wa nyoto.